Do you believe in karma? It's a concept that suggests your actions and intentions have consequences, both positive and negative, that can impact your future. It's a belief found in Hinduism, Buddhism, and other Eastern religions, and it emphasizes the idea that you are responsible for your own destiny. American psychologist Dr. Paul Ekman has conducted research on emotions and their expression. In his book, Emotions Revealed, Recognizing Faces and Feelings to Improve Communication and Emotional Life, Dr. Ekman highlights how your actions and intentions can have long-lasting consequences that shape your life in significant ways. With that said, here are the 4 universal laws of karma that will change your life. The law of cause and effect. Have you ever considered how every choice you make has the potential for positive or negative outcomes? There was actually a study by Baumeister that looked at the concept of self-control and its relationship with our actions and consequences. They found that people who practiced self-control in one area of their life were more likely to exercise self-control in other areas as well. The researchers suggested that the energy created by self-control can spill over into other parts of our lives, which is pretty cool if you think about it. It's not just about you though. The law of cause and effect also applies to your relationships with others. By treating others with kindness and respect, you can cultivate positive relationships and create a supportive social network. In contrast, negative behaviors and attitudes like hostility and aggression can harm your relationships and lead to conflicts. So be mindful of the choices you make and the impact you have on yourself and those around you. The law of creation. Have you ever stopped to consider how your thoughts and beliefs can impact your experiences and ultimately shape your reality? Known as the law of creation, this concept has been extensively studied in psychology. Dr. Albert Ellis, a prominent psychologist and founder of rational emotive behavior therapy, strongly believed in the power of your beliefs to influence your experiences. Dr. Ellis argued that your thoughts and beliefs determine your emotional reactions to events in your lives and can either limit or expand your potential for success. Research in psychology supports this idea, showing that positive self-talk and cognitive behavioral therapy can have a significant impact on mental health and performance. The law of creation teaches that you have the ability to create your own destiny by shaping your thoughts and beliefs. By adopting positive beliefs and thought patterns, you can improve your experiences and create a more fulfilling life. So, have you ever considered how you can use this law to shape your own reality and create the life you truly desire? The law of humility. How can you embrace the law of humility in your daily life? This principle teaches that acceptance and humility are essential for growth and personal development. Instead of fighting against the things you cannot change, this law encourages you to accept them for what they are and learn from them. Dr. Stephen C. Hayes, a renowned psychologist and founder of acceptance and commitment therapy, argues that acceptance is a crucial component of psychological flexibility, which enables you to adapt to new situations and manage challenging emotions. By accepting all aspects of your experiences, even the painful or unpleasant ones, you can move forward and focus on what truly matters to you. So how can you cultivate acceptance and humility in your own life? The law of growth. How do you feel about personal growth and self-improvement? The law of growth emphasizes the importance of continuous self-improvement and personal development in your life. It encourages you to embrace new experiences and changes that come your way, as they're opportunities for growth and learning. Psychologist Dr. Carol Dweck emphasizes the importance of having a growth mindset, which is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work, dedication, and perseverance. This mindset encourages you to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and achieve your goals. So strive to be open to new experiences, challenges, and opportunities for growth as you continue on your journey of self-discovery and personal development. Applying the universal laws of karma daily can help you create a positive and fulfilling life. It's important to remember that the consequences of your actions, both good and bad, come back to you. Therefore, it's important to choose your actions carefully and with intention so that you can create a life that you can be proud of. How can you incorporate this idea into your daily routines and decision-making? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you found this information useful, please give this post a like and share it with your friends. Thank you for engaging with us, and we hope to see you again soon. And don't forget, you matter. The references for this video are in the description below.